Welcome! In front of me I have Nintendo Switch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to update the firmware or the system on this console. First thing we need to do is to open the system settings on our console, and to do it, find the settings icon on the home screen and then tap on it to open the system settings. Now scroll through the menu and look for the option called the system. It's going to be at the bottom of the menu. Tap on it and here look for the system update option and select it. The console will start searching for the updates. As you can see, mine is up to date, but if yours wasn't, it basically will allow you to download and update the console, and you can tap on the update button, I believe right here somewhere, or press the A button to confirm, and once it starts updating, you just need to wait. One thing to mention though, if you plan to update your console, make sure the battery is charged or plug it to the charger before you start the updating, because if the console dies during the updating process, it might damage your device. So I recommend to charge it before or plug it in and keep it on the charger while you're updating your console. Okay, and that's how you update the system or the firmware on this console. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.